The number of factors of 2025 including 1 and itself. How to find factors? So tau function used in group theory and number theory to find number of factors. Suppose group is cyclic, then we have to find how many subgroup will exist for this cyclic group. So we use tau function. Now factorize 25 using 5. Now again 5. Now 3 raised to the power 4 means tau 5 square into 3 raised to the power 4. This is the prime factorization of 2025. Now how to evaluate tau function? Use power. Power is 2 and power is 4 and exceed power by 1 and multiply them. So this is the value of tau 2025. So 3 into 5, 15. Option A is right one.